Hey guys, now today we have the Doogee DK10 Morpho powered stupid camera Roger phone, and now I go to the hills after my house and I'm going to talk about the main features, and we will do some simple tests about this new Roger phone from Doogee. So first let's talk about the design. As you can see, this time this phone gets a new design language, and it's the circled camera zone, triple camera system, and we can find it the Morpho logo was printed in the camera zone, and also the carbon fiber back panel, and also the enhanced the metal frame was on the screw, and also the V logo, V-shaped metal to make this phone is very strong and also a bit luxury. Looks very cool. And also here we can find the called Paris design language also implemented here, and also this is combined with carbon fiber metal. Also this is a special material, I think. So this looks very cool. Also this time to provide a volume button, power combined with fingerprint button, and also SIM card slot, and also the customized button, and also the red color is also used in the whole black back panel, so it looks nice personally. And also this time this Roger phone is not thick and it's very thin, so yes, not so rugged but a bit business style. And also here is the dual speaker, and here no 3.5 mm hollow jacket. And if we go to the front side, you can also find the design details. We was used a lot of times. Yes. Also we can go to the settings to check the information about the device. So here we can find the Dimensity A8020 chips, maximum 2600 Hz, and RAM 12 plus 20, ROM 512, based on Android 13, and the screen resolution, camera information, battery 1080x2400, screen size 6.67 inch. Yes, it's a big screen. Front setting, real triple camera system, 64-50-50. Okay, so these are the main information about the device. You can check it from different angles. Okay, so first I think we can do the camera test, because this time the camera is good, I think. From the official website they talk a lot on the camera, so okay. Camera test. One more photo. Wide angle. Maximum 30 times zoom. Another. Okay. Video. We try to, well, also, if video also 30 times. Shoot a video. Walk. Then shoot a video. Okay, video. Okay, stop. Short video. But navigation, I think we need to go to dark place, and or when we test it, we can test it at night. So simple picture, and then when go to dark, go to night, we will test again. Super night, also 50 pixel. Macro should okay. So I put all the sample picture and the videos at the end of the video. Okay, so this is the Doogee DK10. Good looking and luxury designed, combined with the Roger designed device from Doogee, and also this time the Morpho image camera solution was implemented. Yes, personally speaking, I like the design, not too heavy, and the screen is big, a bit big for my hand is not big, so I cannot control it with one hand. Also maybe the already the brightest. I can adjust. Nice. It's very quick hands-on video. Okay, video. And different angles. Okay, front, up, bottom, left, right, different angles, camera, the screen, and DK. Okay, nice.